New for 2023, this is the Dow 150 watt GaN charger by RedMagic. This was a Kickstarter release, so now the Kickstarter has finished. So you can probably grab this from AliExpress or Amazon, and it's backed by RedMagic. So this product name is the Dow 150 watt 4-port GaN charger, product model PA0228, and I think the parent company is Nubia Technology, serial number, qualified product, made in China. So I was a Kickstarter backer, so I got a early bird discount, but I would probably guess they might go on sale in the future, so bear that in mind. So we'll take off the packaging. This is just an unboxing to see what comes in the box, and hopefully we can turn it on if we can plug it in. So very nice packaging, some fairly serious plastic there, which is good. We have the protective cover there. We have the charger itself. Wow, that is heavy. That is very heavy for a charger that size, which is very interesting. So I'll put that one up there. We have 3 boxes, little boxes in here. I'll let them drop out. So that's it for what comes in there. They're all sealed. Excuse me. So that's one empty box. So we have a nice carrying pouch here. We have the desktop adapter. That is a 2-prong plug. And this one is the DC barrel jack adapter. And this one, last one, should be the USB charger. Sorry, not the USB, but this is USB Type-C cable. Yep, that's that. So we have, in the box, we have a desktop adapter, a DC barrel jack, as well as a USB Type-C. Nice construction, very nice packaging. Just knocked the camera off the tripod. Sorry, really need to get a better tripod here. So we've got a 2-pin adapter, which is foldable, and then the desktop adapter just goes in like that and connects up. So what I might do for this video is I might just plug in the extension so we can see the light up effect. Let me just turn on the portable power bank here. So I'll plug that one in there. So I don't think the power bank unfortunately has enough wattage to power it up. So that's fine, I thought that might happen anyway, so that's alright. I'll unplug that. So I might just run over and do a quick demonstration. Set up here briefly. So main point. So there we have the charger there. This one we can plug in. There we go, wrong side, and there we can see it light up there. Pretty cool. You can see the internals there and the startup animation by the looks of it, or a breathing light. You can see through the side there. Very nice design. This is actually customizable through their companion app, and that one can just sit there. And what I might do is I might plug in a laptop that I have with me that accepts only 65 watts, so this one can do much more than that. So I'll just plug it in over here on the side. There we go, charging's underway, and we can see here the wattage. Might not focus too well on the GoPro here, but it's currently pulling about 70 watts on C1, and C2 will also do the same. It might bounce around in a little bit while it calibrates, but it also tells you the voltage and the amperage, so it's probably calibrating here. Oh, I might just unplug it from the laptop side and plug it in again. Yep, there we go. So replugging it on the laptop started it. So you can see it there. So you can use all 4 ports, including the DC barrel jack. These 2 ports will drop down to about 15 watts, and these have intelligent voltage loading there. So that's where I think I'll leave it for the RedMagic GaN 150 watt charger. And there we go, very interesting. It also has a touch panel here you can cycle through. I think it just flicks between animation and voltage. Great. All right, thanks for watching.